Here in 3.7, it is page 149. I just wanted to give you a heads up. This is a terrible, terrible inclusion in this chapter because they give you garbage examples here. Essentially what we're saying here on page 148 is that you can declare a variable more or in more places rather than just here at, can I call it the top? So like in the very early lines of code of your main. Is that true? Yes. Is it good practice? Not always, because if you do, like we see here on line 22, a string declaration on line 22 and a string declaration on line 17, it's not immediately clear to the next developer in the chain what all of the variables are that we're going to use in this program. The other problem is, and we'll see it in more detail when we get more involved with program blocks and statement blocks, is the idea of scope. Is the variable is only good inside of the scope where I declare it. They don't give you any indication of how that will impact you here. And quite frankly, we don't pick it up for another 2 chapters. So I'm not going to pick it up for 2 more chapters because the samples that they give you are garbage. But really, if you take anything away here from 3.7, it's called late declaration or delayed declaration. That's where we would have, like down here on line 22, we would declare a string as opposed to declaring it up here on like line 12, for example, where they would be more, not centrally located necessarily, but more proximately located right up at the top so that the next developer in the chain can go bup, 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 bup. Okay, I know exactly what is happening here and exactly what variables are being declared, whereas this can be a nasty little surprise later on.